Now, so today we'll show you what we got and for our back school supplies. Yeah. So first we're gonna start off with knife. Ish and he has this. So knife got some pretty cool PJ Masks shoes from Walmart. And if you like do that, you actually like that. It's so cool.
I love it. I like it.
And then he got also this from Walmart. It's like an Avengers like water bottle.
Andy, come on. And this is up.
يا دين النبي الحلاوة دي
So Knife has some PJ Masks shoes too. And some PJ Masks socks.
And then we have something else socks. Come on, this one. Come on, this.
So first I got these cute shoes from Walmart. They're athletic shoes, so it'd be easier for me to run in and it'd be also comfortable. I also got this backpack from the children's place. It was really cheap and not that expensive. It's also really cute with unicorns and it's holographic. It also has a cute keychain that says love. So on my school supply list, the first thing I have is an art patch. I got this really cute mermaid one. It doesn't flip up, but it's still cute. The next thing that I got, this is also from the children's place. It's a matching lunchbox. Scissors. I also have 48 pencils. These are already sharpened, which is the ones that I like to get. Composition notebook that I really like. So if you really like these items, tell me which one that you like in the comments below. Now we're gonna go to all. Okay, so it's my turn. So I got my backpack from Justice. So it has like a really good price. So first it was $40 and now guess what? It's $16. It's a better deal. Like right now you can find the mini backpacks in Justice $16 where you can find a bigger one for $16. Really good price. So it's really cute. It's like a watermelon backpack that has like sequins. It's really cute. I really like it. And then I got my lunch box from Walmart. It was for $5. First thing, it was really cute because it's like really hollow. So I got 3 other folders, but unfortunately there's not like other colors I can pick with other designs. So I just had to pick black and purple. So I got 2 plain ones. Now I got another one that says just a girl boss building her empire. Expo markers, and then I got some colored pencils. I also got 3 notebooks. So cute. It has like some desserts that are like cat. One is really cute too. So it's like a really cute llamas on there. And then it has some rainbow. This one right here, it's also cute. It has like some gold triangles around it. And I think I'll use it for math. 2 disappearing purple glue sticks. I have 2 pencils that are sharpened. Some high polymer eraser, scissors, and some cute headphones that have microphones on. But wait, before you go, I forgot to tell you guys that I also have some school shoes and it's amazing. So it's really pretty. So it's like a hollow shoe and it has like really pretty sequins. Okay. And I also got this from the children's place. And then if you like all of the things that I got for back to school for 5th grade, please write in the comments below.
I got something with Walmart and I got some discos. Like he has some unicorn. And I can like do it like over here and I have some Hello Kitty lunchbox. I love it, and I have some backpacks like he's a donut backpack, and that's my backpack. Like it's yummy, and there's like too many donuts, and I like it. And
عايز جملة مفيدة. قول لي جملة مفيدة عشان أفهمك.
Never gonna let you go, never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up, I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna